Are you panicking? Is the thought of your portfolio bleeding red a constant, nagging dread? Do you find yourself refreshing charts a dozen times a day, only to see the same downward spiral? For many, the first hint of a bear market feels like a punch to the gut. The easy money, the euphoria of the bull run, it all vanishes, replaced by fear, uncertainty, and doubt. You see your favorite crypto projects, the ones you were so sure about, plummeting in value. You hear the whispers of crypto winter, and the cold reality of it all starts to set in. But what if a bear market wasn't a time for panic? What if it was, instead, a time for preparation? What if the very tools you used to navigate the bull run could be even more valuable when the market turns sour? Today, we're going to talk about a powerful ally in the crypto space, one that you might not think of when the market is crashing. We're talking about Gemini, and the question is, can you use Gemini in a bear market? And not just use it, but use it to your advantage. Now, when I say Gemini, I'm not just talking about the crypto exchange. I'm also talking about the AI assistant, the Google Gemini that's been making headlines. Both have unique features that, when used strategically, can help you not just survive, but thrive during a crypto winter. So, let's break down how you can leverage both of these powerful tools. First, let's talk about the exchange, Gemini. You've probably heard of it, but you might think of it as just another place to buy and sell crypto. In a bull market, that's all many people use it for. But in a bear market, its unique features become critically important. The first, and arguably most important, is its security-first approach. Gemini is known for its stringent security standards, compliance, and third-party audits. They hold most customer assets in cold storage, and they offer insurance for their hot wallet. Why does this matter in a bear market? Because when the market is in turmoil, and the financial landscape is littered with failed projects and bankrupt exchanges, security is not a luxury, it's a necessity. You need to know your assets are safe. Gemini's commitment to these standards provides a level of reassurance that is invaluable when the market is at its most volatile. Another key feature of the Gemini exchange is its offering of stablecoins. In a bear market, the first rule is often don't lose money. While that's easier said than done, stablecoins provide a haven. They're designed to maintain a stable value, typically pegged to a fiat currency like the US dollar. During a market downturn, you can move your assets into stablecoins to protect your capital from further losses. With Gemini, you can easily swap your volatile assets for stablecoins and then, when you're ready, deploy that capital back into the market at a more opportune time. This brings us to a crucial bear market strategy, dollar cost averaging, or DCA. DCA is a strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the asset's price. In a bull market, it's a great way to build your position over time. In a bear market, it's a game changer. As prices fall, your fixed investment buys more and more assets. Over time, this lowers your average purchase price. Gemini's platform makes it easy to set up recurring buys, automating this strategy so you can take emotion out of the equation. Instead of panic selling, you're systematically building your position, preparing for the next bull run. You're turning fear into a disciplined, wealth-building strategy. But what about the more advanced features? Gemini's Active Trader platform is built for experienced traders, and it offers advanced charting, a variety of order types, and high-speed execution. In a bear market, these tools become essential for those who want to actively trade. You can use limit orders to buy dips at specific price points, or set stop-loss orders to automatically sell if a position drops below a certain level. While this is more for the seasoned investor, it's a testament to the platform's robust capabilities. Now, let's switch gears and talk about the other Gemini, the AI assistant. How can a large language model help you navigate a crypto bear market? The answer is simple: knowledge is power, and clarity is key. In a bear market, misinformation and fear-mongering run rampant. News articles are sensationalized, and every influencer on social media has a hot take on the next big crash. This is where the AI assistant shines. You can use Gemini to get an unbiased, data-driven perspective. Instead of reading a dozen different articles from sources you may or may not trust, you can prompt Gemini to summarize the current market sentiment for Bitcoin and Ethereum. It can pull information from various sources and give you a concise, neutral overview. You can ask it to explain the concept of a death cross in technical analysis or compare the tokenomics of Project A and Project B. It can break down complex concepts into simple, understandable terms. For example, you could ask, what is a head and shoulders pattern and what does it typically signal in a crypto bear market? The AI can provide a clear explanation of this technical analysis pattern and its implications, helping you understand the charts without being a professional analyst. You can also use it to stay informed without getting lost in the noise. You can ask for a daily summary of crypto news or to track specific developments in a project you're interested in. This helps you avoid the emotional swings that come with constant, reactive news consumption. And let's not forget the strategic planning aspect. You can use Gemini to help you develop a long-term plan. For example, you could prompt it with, help me create a dollar cost averaging strategy for my crypto portfolio, considering my risk tolerance and long-term goals. The AI can ask you questions, help you define your parameters, and even suggest a schedule for your buys. This turns a vague idea into a concrete, actionable plan. The beauty of using the Gemini AI assistant in a bear market is that it gives you control. It empowers you with information and helps you make rational, not emotional, decisions. It's a tool for analysis and strategy, not a crystal ball for predicting the market. And in a bear market, that is exactly what you need. Combining the two Geminis, the secure, feature-rich exchange and the powerful, knowledge-driven AI assistant, creates a formidable defense against the emotional and financial perils of a bear market. The exchange provides the tools for secure storage, disciplined accumulation, and strategic trading. The AI assistant provides the knowledge and clarity to make informed decisions, stay calm, and stick to your plan. A bear market is an inevitable part of the crypto cycle. It's a time of reckoning, a period where weak projects fail and strong projects prove their resilience. For investors, it's a test of conviction. By using the right tools and strategies, you can turn a period of fear and loss into a time of opportunity and long-term growth. Don't let the headlines scare you. Don't let the red charts fill you with dread. Instead, see it as a chance to prepare, to learn, and to build a stronger foundation for the future. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.